How to know if someone blocked you on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. Your iPhone will not directly tell you if someone has blocked your number. However, you can perform some tests that may indicate you have been blocked. The first test is to send a message to the contact. Tap the new message icon in the top right corner to start a new conversation. Now type the recipient's name into the To field and select the contact. After typing a message, tap on the send arrow icon. If you have been blocked, the message will appear to be sent from your end but will never show a delivered or read receipt and instead shows a red not delivered error. The second test involves placing a standard phone call. Go through your contacts and select a contact and pay close attention to how the call connects. If the call simply fails and ends after a single ring, this is a primary indicator that your number may be blocked. A normal call would typically ring multiple times before going to voicemail. Following these steps, you can easily know if someone blocked you on an iPhone.